Hello. Learning of Igbo alphabet is the basic foundation of Igbo learning. As a grandmother, when I visited my daughter at United Kingdom, I witnessed the challenge my daughter and the son-in-law were experiencing with teaching their children how to speak Igbo language. The youngest was 5 years old, while eldest was 10 years old. My daughter and the son-in-law want their children, my grandchildren, to start speaking Igbo language. Communicating in English at school and the after-school club made them very difficult for children to speak up with learning Igbo language. I took on the responsibility to assist by drawing on my skill as a retired teacher to teach them from the basics. Initially, when I started teaching my grandchildren, they could neither speak nor write Igbo language. This is because they could not read the Igbo alphabets. We studied the Igbo alphabets called Mkpuru Okwu Igbo or Abechede. Once they have learned the Igbo alphabets, we move on to use the Igbo alphabets to make Igbo words. As they understood these basic principles, it was easier for them to read Igbo sentence and the comprehensions in the Igbo language. I was very pleased to see my youngest grandchild at the age of 5 years reading Igbo so easily. I started producing the videos so that they could continue to practice when I have left them at the end of my visit. However, my daughter suggested that it will be very useful to share this online as other families may find it useful. I hope these videos will be of great benefit to other families that are struggling to teach their children Igbo language, as we need to preserve our Igbo language for the future generation. Thank you. I hope you enjoy it. Bye.
Yo.